In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. If you are already signed in to your Google account, you will land on the Sheets home screen, where you can create and manage spreadsheets. This is where your new calendar file will ultimately live, so it is a good place to begin. Next, in a separate tab, go to the template.net page that offers calendar templates for Google Sheets. On that page, look for the highlighted option that draws attention to the Google Sheets Calendar Templates section. This highlight is basically pointing you to the correct template category, so you do not have to search through unrelated designs. Once you are in the right place, find and select the option labeled Monthly Calendar Template in Google Sheets. This is the template we will use, because it is already formatted like a familiar monthly calendar grid, and is set up to work inside Google Sheets. After you click the Monthly Calendar Template, you will be taken to a template page with different file options. Choose the option for Google Sheets. Selecting Google Sheets is important because it ensures the template opens as an editable spreadsheet, not as a PDF or another file type. When you select Google Sheets, it will open a Google Sheets preview page. From here, you will see a button that says Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy to create your own editable version of the calendar inside your Google Drive. This step is what turns the template into your personal spreadsheet, so you can customize it without changing the original template. A second Make a Copy prompt may appear depending on your browser or Google account settings. If you see it again, click Make a Copy one more time to confirm. After that, your copied calendar will open as a normal Google Sheets file, ready for you to edit, rename, and use as your dynamic monthly calendar. That covers everything you need to know.